Here are 4 secrets to big changes in your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And you got it. You're absolutely right. Today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's exactly what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams and your goals coming to fulfillment. You deserve the money that you desire, the love that you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. We're here to help you every single day, Monday through Friday, on iTunes, YouTube, Blog Talk Radio. I think we're going on a few other channels as well. Anyway, the law of attraction is not about what is. Let me repeat that. The law of attraction is not, underline the word not, about what is. The law of attraction is about what can be. What can be in your life today. What can be in your life tomorrow. What can be in your life a month from now. A year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. You see, most people look at their life or they look at a situation and they say, this is what is. They trust their eyes, but they don't trust their inner ability to manifest their deepest desires. If everybody on this planet only went by what is, nothing would ever change. Everything that has happened that has advanced humankind in one way or the other, spiritually, technologically, intellectually, mathematically, everything that has advanced humankind came from somebody who said, I know this is what is, but what can be? What can happen? What are the limits? And you know, high flyers, the truth of the matter is there are no boundaries. Say it right now. There are no boundaries and no limits. Write it right down here. There are no boundaries. I have no boundaries. I am boundless. Oh, I like that even better. I am eternal. Oh, that's perfect. Write it down. Get fired up in your belly, in your heart, and in your mind, and in your soul about the big changes. Because this is about big changes coming into your life. So secret number 1 to bringing about big changes in your life is to raise more energy. It's not just about vibrating higher. It's about taking that vibration and making it more powerful, making it stronger. In ancient times, they talked about a cone of power. But you can raise more energy through deep meditation, practicing your breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth for 20 minutes at a time, or 10 minutes, or 5 minutes. Wayne Dyer used to say you can practice your meditation at the stoplight and the guy behind you will let you know when it's time to stop meditating. You know, meditate. Get in touch with your breath. That helps you raise energy. Spend more time in nature. If you live in the desert, get out in the desert. If you live in the mountains, climb the mountain or the ocean or the forest. Just go out in your backyard and stand barefoot on the grass for a while. If you don't have any grass, I know people, I have friends that live in New York, in Manhattan, and they have grown a yard of grass. And from time to time, they go out and stand in that yard of grass and they ground themselves. And that helps their body and their energy field raise more energy. And the more energy you apply to something, the sooner you manifest it, the cleaner you manifest it. Walking is a great way to raise energy. Walk every day. Get one of those pedometers that tell you how many steps you're taking every day and practice walking. Get a desk and raise that desk up and stand at your desk with your computer like so instead of sitting down. Sitting down all day, it's the new smoking. Smoking was the deadly disease of the 50s and 60s and 70s. But sitting down all day is the deadly disease of our time. Raise more energy by standing and walking. And I'm going to give you this simple exercise. It's called the middle pillar, but I've even made it simpler. You just simply stand like so. I like to have my hands kind of open like this, in the sign of reception. Close my eyes and I visualize white light coming down in the form of a shaft of light into my body and all the way through my body to my feet and into the ground. And as I'm feeling this, it feels good. As I'm feeling this shaft of light, I'm breathing in through my nose and out through my mouth. Listen to me very closely, high flyers. It is impossible. Well, maybe not impossible, but nearly impossible to put yourself or get into a negative or depressing mood after you have done this shaft of light exercise. From up above, through the top of your head, all the way down through your body, into your legs and feet, and into the ground. Breathe deep and enjoy the light. And then you might want to end with a moment or two of gratitude. That's up to you. The second secret to bringing about big changes in your life is to focus on your energy. And you start with focusing on your thoughts. What thoughts am I thinking? And then as you notice that you are thinking a particular thought that is negative, flip it around and think of a positive thought that is the opposite of the negative thought. That's called an affirmation. And state it in an I am phrase. For example, if you're worried about money, God, I'm worried about money. I'm worried how I'm going to pay my bills. Say, I am abundant and wealthy, and money comes easily to me. That's a good example. Next is practice incantations. An incantation is a direct command to your subconscious mind. I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to calm every nerve, every muscle, every organ, every fiber of my body. That is a command, and it is an invocation. And it's an incantation. Set regular intentions. And if you have set an intention, write it down every day. Write down your top 5 intentions in your life every day. Write them down. Get a book and write them out every single day. And then have daily goals. What are my goals to help me achieve this intention? I call them micro goals. And then finally, get in the habit of focusing on mind movies or theater of the mind. Sit down, relax as if you've gone to a movie theater and see your life playing out exactly the way you desire it. But instead of watching it, put yourself into it and make it present tense. Don't say, I want this to happen. Actually visualize what you desire happening as if you were in a movie and you were playing it out. And do that over and over and over and over again, because that's how you teach your subconscious mind what to think. That's how you create new beliefs. That's how you create new thoughts. Secret number 3 to bringing about big changes in your life is to ask yourself one question. What happens if I don't take this action? What happens if I don't do it? What happens if I don't follow through? What happens if I continue to think negatively? What happens if I continue to be ruled by my fears? What happens if I continue to be ruled by my doubts and my anxiety? What's the outcome? What does my life look like then? Take a look at your life. You're not going to like it. You see, sometimes we have to ask, what happens? What happens if? And we can even take that to the end of our life and say, what does my last day on earth look like if I don't follow through on my goals now? Will I be living that last day in regret and fear, or will I have lived as if I have finished my work on earth? As if my time here is done, I feel complete and I'm ready to roll. I'm ready to fly. And finally, secret number 4, surround yourself with symbols of personal empowerment, statues, pictures, important sayings. Sometimes people put their affirmations right on their computer screen. Beautiful paintings that inspire you and change the way you feel instantly when you see them. Music that uplifts you and gives you hope and renewal. And of course, your own personal rituals that help you achieve what you, especially the first hour of the day, those special little rituals that you do every day, whether it's meditation or sitting in front of a candle or praying or exercising, whatever it is that you do, writing down your goals for the day, those little rituals that you do every day or the night before are so empowering to helping you bring about big, massive changes in your life. I expect you to have a great day today. I'm certain of it because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.